Okay, it looks like we are probably live. Um, yeah. People come through chat, just say hi and let me know. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be hacking a game called um Moomin Tani no Okurimono. Okurimono. So Moomin Tani or Moomin Dani Okurimono. Oh, 32 seconds late. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry when I said literally unwatchable. Okay. It's all good. We're on time. Okay. So anyway, we're gonna go in here. I've already dumped the ROM. I did that before I left for Japan. Um, so I can just show you real quick. Here is what it looks like. Let's bring this up in screen size. Yeah. So we've got this game, from what I've been told. Here, let's turn this volume down real quick. So from what this game has been to like pitched to me as it's basically Animal Crossing or Stardew Valley or something, but with the Moomin Valley is the idea. So you can see here we've got some like cutscene things. Oh, here's some text. So Koko wa Moomin Tani desu. Here, this is Moomin Valley. And then it's gonna like scroll through and stuff. Gonna be fade out. And then we'll have more text up here. Moomin to Moomin no hazoku. それにムーミンの仲間たちがこの谷で暮らした。Fuck, I'm not fast enough. この, something. Anyway. So we have this text here. That's our goal to translate. You can see there's a bunch of 3D models. Kind of interesting. Looks cool as far as games go, I think. So that's fun. Okay. So that's the gist of what's going on here. So let's get into it. Let's talk about hacking this game. So to start with, as always, we're going to unpack it. So we're going to go in here with NitroPacker. Oh my gosh, that made the window very large. Let's shrink that. If I can figure out how to do that. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, it is a massive window. So I had to resize my screen in order to stream this one because I'm in a net cafe in Tokyo, and I wanted to use their external monitor, which is 1080p, and it was too zoomed in when I did it, so I had to resize my monitor here to make it work properly on Ubuntu for whatever reason. I don't know. But anyway, all right. So let's do this. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do code/NitroPacker. We're using the new NitroPacker. And this is .cli bin debug NitroPacker. And then we're just going to do unpack r moomin.nds o unpack and then p moomin. Okay, so we did it. We unpacked it. That was actually really fast. We can then copy this and we'll make a repack folder for when we repack it. And let's just double check that repacking works. So that we know when any changes we make, if it causes the game to crash, it's not that. It should work, but it's always good to double check. So we do this pack I think is what it is. Pack help. Yeah, it is I. Okay. Pack I, and we do repack/moomin.json, and then we do repack.nds. So there we go. So let's double check that worked. We can go into repack.nds, boot it, and it loads just fine. Awesome. So we have it completely working. That's fantastic. Yay. Okay. So let's pop into our unpack folder and get started by looking at what's going on here. We can pop into data. So first, I guess we can look at overlay. So this game has no overlays, which is actually kind of interesting. Its ARM9 is 800 kilobytes, so kind of interesting that it's able to fit in that small of a ROM. I wonder how big the Chokuretsu one is. One sec, let me check real quick. Just for comparison. we can go in here, we can see ROM, and the Tokuretsu ARM9 is 613. So it's a little larger, but not that much, which is kind of surprising to me. So we have a bunch of these folders. We have data, ending, gallery, game, item, model, motion, save data, title. So my guess is let's start with data. We have font, game, info, list, old list, script bin, sound. Okay, so let's take a look at script bin. Oh, we got a lot of scripts here. Let's see if there's anything about like an intro in here. Ending, epilogue. Maybe opening is what it would be called then. LMNO, doesn't it? Okay, no. Sub, main. Search, just search open. Oh, opening. Sopening.ssd.bin. Okay, so this is probably the opening we were just looking at. So let's pop it open in imhex. All right, and then we'll close out of this stuff, all that stuff. And we can look here. Let's load in our Shift.js just to take a look and see if we can find any text in here. And oh, there's clearly some text where it's clearly compressed. And it is most likely LZ10, given that it starts with a 10 here, or 0, OX10, hex 10. So let's start by writing something to decompress this, I guess. So we will exit this for now, and we will open up this, and let's get started. So we're just going to make a new solution. We're going to call it Moomin Tani, Okurimono translation. We'll make it shorter. Moomin Okurimono translation utility. And we'll put it in code. Yep. And this is going to be a console app. Don't use top-level statements. Yep, all perfect. Okay. So we'll start by creating this solution here, and then, as always, we're going to then create a library project afterwards, just to make sure that we have what we want. So a class library, Moomin Okurimono lib. And actually, I'll just rename this real quick, because this should be CLI. And then we can go in real quick and change the namespace for it to that. Okay. Cool. So let's get started. So here we're gonna do, of course, always we make our model.options dependency. Okay, so we've got that. And then we can just do command set commands equals new, and we'll add our command once we have it, and then commands run args. And we'll do new, and we'll name it Moomin Okurimono. Now let's change this namespace to match. Oops. Cool. And then we will add a command here. We'll just call it decompress. Okay, and so then in this command we just make it inherit command, and then we do public decompress command, decompress. Decompresses an LZ10 compressed file. And then we do, did I do it wrong? Oh, right, sorry. It's not like that. Don't do it that way. We do it this way, and then we have it inherit the base constructor. And then what we do is we do options equals new, and we're going to define our options for it. So we're going to just have private You know, actually, we don't need to do this because I already have QTools installed. I don't know why I'm doing this right now. I have QTools installed, so we can actually just take this. Let's not even do that. Oops. Opening. Let's copy the opening out and just copy it up here, up for one more. And we'll do edit maybe just to make a little folder for this. And then let's just do QTools. So we can do packing, NDS packing, Qs, decomp, LZSS. I compiled all these for Linux myself. And D, and then edit, and then that. Okay, yeah, so it was LZ10. So we can just do imhex, and then open up the decompressed version. So yeah, we can see it's decompressed now. There's this thing at the top here. So some sort of file magic, I guess. Unless this is also LZ11 compressed, but it's definitely not. You can see all these zeros and stuff is decompressed. And let's just see if we can find any text in this. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. So we definitely have this text at the bottom here, Moomin Valley A.txt. Oh, it's a .txt. I wonder if, I wonder if this is like a reference to text that gets displayed somewhere else. Let's see if we can find a .txt in the data. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. So this was Moomin Valley A. So we can look in here. TXT again. Okay, well, where was it? Okay, sorry. I think I have to do open item location. Yeah. Okay, so this is in map data. Let's open it up in this. Open with encoding. Yes. Okay, interesting. So these are just comments, and they're the models of the map. And then there's this. This is node object, and so this is setting a bunch of node objects. This is FMF file name. So these are the FMF file names, I guess. And this is model file name. So that's that. And there's a commented out model file. Interesting. And this is map ID. So, okay, that's interesting. I don't know what that's about. Maybe that's like compiled, I guess, out. I don't see that one that we were just looking at. And it doesn't look like these files are like model descriptions. I wonder if these get compiled into something. I don't know. But okay, so that's interesting that we have those, but it doesn't look like, oh, here's Moomin Valley A.txt. So yeah, so these files then definitely do get used. So it tells the game, like, here's the model stuff to load, because these are the model file names. This is the map ID and map 0, the node objects, and then these FMF files. I don't know what the FMFs do. So this is definitely something interesting. So this is a scripting file of some sort. You can see it has this this thing here. Is this 12 bytes? It's 15 bytes. Interesting. So this 0C beforehand, I was thinking maybe was like the length of this, but it does not seem to be that, because it would be a 0F if it was 15 bytes here, or even 10 maybe, because it could be 16 bytes with the 0 terminator. So that's interesting. This could also be a bank, right? Like this stuff down here could be a bank that is referenced up here somewhere. I don't know. But that's very interesting. Okay. So, okay. This is very interesting so far. Yeah, okay, cool. So let's think more about this. This is weird that this starts on an F, right? Like, because this would be, yeah, that's just kind of strange to me. Like this is, what am I trying to say? This is like the stuff that comes before it. You would think that it would start at least on a 2-byte aligned thing, and it's starting on 1-byte aligned. It's on an odd number. And so you'd think it would start here. So that's why I assume that C would be that, but this is in total like 1 characters or 1 characters, 16 characters, not 12, like the C would imply. So that's very interesting. And then here you can see this next one doesn't even have that prefix. So there you go. It's not going to be that. Okay, so that's very interesting, but this does not have any text in it. So I wonder if we can find some actual text. Let's see what's in game. No, these are all standard NDS files, which is great for editing. That's really good news. Like NCGRs and stuff like that. This should be really easy to edit. The graphics of the game, at least. But yeah, let's go back into script bin and just see we can do OP again. Yeah, no, I don't, like, if that's the only opening, like, I don't know what else it would be, maybe. I mean, let's just take a look and see, like, just this Cave Coast one. Let's just see if there is text that we have in here. So again, we'll do this decompression, and we'll do Cave Coast stuff. Yeah, okay. So then we can drop that in here and scroll down. Okay, we're going to take this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, so these definitely do contain text. You can see Kore dead, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So maybe what we should do is we should try B-grepping this. So what we can do is we can do Shift JIS to hex. And we'll just use this one, sure. And let's just open up the game again and see if we can find it. It's also possible that those opening things are images, like the opening scroll in Tokuretsu is images. So like that's also a possibility. So it's worth keeping that in mind. Hajime kara. Okay, so Koko wa Moomin Tani desu ne. Okay, and there's a space there. So if we're writing in Japanese, that's going to be Koko wa Moomin Tani desu. Oh, I already forgot. Was it desu ne? God damn it. Okay, 1 second. We're going to go back in this. Koko wa Moomin Tani desu. Okay, so that's all correct. That's exactly written like we want. So we can just submit. Oh. And no. Why is this undefined? Okay, we're going to use a different Shift.js converter, I guess, because that's very strange. Yeah, let's just use this one. Okay, a decoder. Okay, do you have an encoder? No. Okay. I don't. Okay, no, this is the opposite of what we want. This is the only thing that seems to do what we want it to do, and it has this undefined thing, right? That's so strange. Why is it undefined? I'm writing in hiragana. This is Shift.js coder. Encoding converter, sure. So Koko wait, no, I pasted it. Okay. And this is Shift.js. So there we go. This is our Shift.js that we want to search for. Okay. So now that we have that, we can go in here and we can do yeah, exactly. We're gonna see search the hex up to the undefined part and see if there are results. That's basically what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna search within these directories and just see if I can find that particular. Oh, search up to the undefined. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. Well, we got a good converter, so should be fine now. Okay. So unpack data data script. Okay, so let's search this. We can do bgrep. So bgrep, and then we're gonna do I think it's R. We have to do R. Oh no, we don't. Maybe we have to do R. Oh, stream delay. Yeah, fair enough. Okay. And then we can do 82 B1, 82 B1, 82 CD, 8140, 8380, 815B, 837E, 8393924A, 82C5, 82B7, /. Oh, okay. R is not what you do. Buffer overflow detected. Okay, let's try this again. 2B1. Buffer overflow detected. Okay, how do I use this? Every time I use this, I forget how to use it, is the thing about this tool. 82. Why is there, what is going on? OX82. Okay, invalid hex string. So it is 82. Why is there a buffer overflow happening? Okay. Maybe dot star. Okay, there we go. So that's how we do it. We have to do dot star. Okay. Dot star. Okay, there's nothing. Okay. Okay. So, okay, if we go up one and we do that A2 search, do we find anything? No. Okay. Interesting. Okay, let's do it slightly shorter substring. B1, 82, B1. In case I did this incorrectly, maybe we can just type. Okay, no. Interesting. So maybe those are images then, because I'm not finding any text of that. I mean, we can look real quick again through here and just see if there's anything else. Maybe like title. Could it be title? Maybe. These are all graphics. Title logo, title object, title Waku. Love that. Nanner. I think there's a thing called console tool that is a Java-based tool that I could use. Console tool NDS. Got this. Go to download. Oh, I have a notification. Check that. Oh, I don't care. Okay. That's gonna. Okay. So we have console tool downloaded. Let's load that up. Oh no. Is it? Oh, there's a jar here. Okay, yeah, there's a jar. Cool. So we'll do ROM hacking, NDS hacking. Let's call this console tool. Cool. And we can load up this jar. And load it. Okay, no, we can't. I think I have to do Java jar. Console tool. Oh, it opened on my other screen. Love that. Okay. Come here. Come here. Okay. Cool. So what we can do here is we want to just see these things here. So we're going to start by bringing in the palette, and then we can bring in the graphics, and then we can bring in, so we can see here that we have graphics there, and then we can bring in the NCER, I think is the next thing that lays it out, and then we can bring in the animation file, the nanner. And okay, do we have to manually specify that no, it's using NCLR. It's using these things, and it's using that. Okay. Okay, I don't know what that's about. That's odd to me. Is it compressed? It might be compressed. Oh, these are probably compressed, yeah, just like the other things were. So let's actually, let's copy this whole folder out and just decompress everything in it. I think it's probably our best bet. No, that, and then we can just go in here, not the jar. Let's leave the jar going. Actually, can I put that jar, that tab, in this tab? No, I can't. Okay, I'm gonna exit out of console tool for a second and just do it in another tab because I don't want it in Okay, Java jar, console tool jar. There we go. Okay, I just don't want two separate windows. I don't know why I did that initially. Okay, so we're gonna do pop D, and then we're gonna do our LZSS stuff that we did a second ago for LZ10. Okay, and then we're gonna do edit title star. Oh, it's not LZSS encoded. Some of them are. Like these NCGRs are, but not all of them are. Okay, interesting. So, okay, that's fine. We've decompressed some of the stuff, which is all that really matters. So we start again, NCLR, NCGR. Okay. Okay. Waku. Oh no, it's happening. The same thing's happening again. Okay. Okay. Wait 1 second. We can try again. Let's specifically make sure that we decode title waku.nc. Oh, it's not in LZSS encoded anymore. Okay, maybe we can just rename it to just NCGR. Nope. Why is it like this? Why is it doing this to me? Interesting. Okay, here, let's try this again. Just one more time. Just gonna take unpack, data. Oh no, we did opening down there. Data, title. Just copy title out, edit title, and we'll do lzs.bin. So that should decode all of the .bins. And then, so if I plug in our NCLR, our graphic, or this, our nanner, yeah, no, it's nothing. Okay. So maybe this one's just weird, like it's just nothing. So let's try some other ones. We should be able to see, okay, BG main, maybe. So we have an NCLR, an NCGR. Okay, so it's just tiled up. This is definitely correct, but it's tiled up. And then we can do the NCSR, I guess, probably is what it's going to be. Oh, no. This is the NCSR. Interesting. Okay, I don't know about that. Well, let's keep going and just see. These are BGs, so I don't know that I care. Let's look at the logo. Maybe we can try our NCLR, our NCGR, and our title logo. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so we got a logo. We're cooking. We could edit this logo then. So that's good. We got something. We're working. Title obj. This should be less scrambled, so it might be easier to work with. Our NCGR. Yeah, see, we can see this unscrambled. Very nice. NCER and our nanner. Okay, so the nanner is not very useful. Oh wait, maybe this is. Do I need to hit like play on this or something? Because there's like multiple frames. Yeah. It has the text here. So how do you play in this thing again? I forget how this works. Okay, let's see if I can figure out. Here's the play button down here. It's just kind of hidden on this screen. But it's not really playing. Interesting. Okay, I don't know what that's about, but like you can clearly see that it's doing something here. We're cooking. Okay. So yeah, we could use our own tools for editing these graphics and stuff, like converting them to PNGs, converting them back. Very cool. We can see here another title obj. Yeah, that's Moomin. Hell yeah, look at him. Look at him go. Fascinating. And I don't know why it's not displaying in the nanner. I think that's very strange. But whatever. Oh, can I just like turn on, what does this do? Cell outlines. Okay, I don't know. But whatever. Oh, you know what? Maybe I have to close out of this and reopen it in order to see the other one that we were looking at. Like maybe it's cached that or something. So let's just check that real fast and see if it cached it. Nope, it just hates that. Okay. But it definitely has something. Like, okay, I guess it's just this title thing. Actually, yeah, you can see that. Here, is there a way I can turn off those cell outlines? Yeah, okay, cool. So that's text. Hajime kara game start shimasu. So start the game from the beginning. Green play button in the bottom left. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I don't know. Are you colorblind? That's blue. It's definitely blue. No, I'm not insulting you. I'm just wondering. But okay. Cool. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing up. That's very strange, but whatever. I don't care enough to fix it right now. But we can clearly see that it looks good. Like we got something working. We're cooking. Okay. So let's keep looking here. That's not any title graphics per se, but we definitely found something that we're working with. And then we can go in here. Maybe we can look at like data or something. Okay, map data, not really. Here's the font, info, not really. Sound, not really. I don't know. Game in here. We can do BG obj special. Okay, let's just search opening in this. Okay, it's just that one. That's so interesting. EDOP sys font. Okay, let's check that out, I guess. Oh wait, we'd have to decompress it though first. But okay, whatever. This is still really interesting. I like this. This is great. Okay. So we got model, motion, we got save data in here. Fascinating. Okay. So let's keep going through these. I don't know. We can figure that out in a bit. I'm still curious as to where that is, though. I don't know. It's got to be graphics, right? It's got to be graphics. Okay, so these are also compressed. So let's take the info up here and decompress them. Okay, not that. This. Info. Okay. So we go in here, we do NCLR, NCGR, NCSR. Okay, interesting. So this is definitely something. Huh. Yeah, so like we do this similar thing. Oh, is this the opening text? Is this the opening crawl text? See if I can try to read that. No, it doesn't look like it is. This is something else. Like Kato. Oh, like this is probably like the default error messages and stuff, I feel like. It's something about like the cart being busted, I feel like. Okay. Cool. So let's keep looking around and see if we can find anything useful. Gallery? No, probably not the gallery, I don't think. Yeah, these are like specific things. I mean, it'd still be interesting to see maybe. Let's just take a look at some of it and just see what we're looking at here. I'm guessing this is more like a album viewer type thing. Okay. And then yeah, so if we take a look at like maybe just collect obj, I guess. We could do our NCLR, our NCGR, our NCER, and our nanner. Yeah, you can see this is definitely, it says mitai mono o asonde ne? I don't know. That's not asondu. I don't know what that is. But okay, so like this is like gallery, like menu text, I think. It's still needed to, like, we'd still need to translate it, so it's useful to find this kind of stuff, but I am trying to find specific, I am trying to find like specific text, which is that opening crawl text. Interesting. Interesting stuff. Okay. So let's keep looking. I don't know why I'm being so stubborn about this, guys. I'm sorry, but I can't help it. Irande. Thank you so much. Yes, it is Irande. You're correct. It is. You're absolutely correct. That is Irande. Good eye. Thank you very much. I suck at kanji still. Even though I'm going to move here, I'm awful at kanji. I have to work on it, I know. But that's life. Okay. So, I mean, maybe... Is it map data? No, this is the map data. That has the TXTs and the FMFs, which I don't know what the FMFs are. I mean, we can, like, pop it into a hex editor and see if we can figure out what the FMFs are. Not compressed. No fucking clue. This is the magic at the top, obviously, and then it's like a bunch of shorts, it looks like. These are some ints, maybe 16, 16. I don't know what that is. And then just a bunch of sixes here. I have no fucking clue. This could be a, like, walkability grid or something. Like, it could be, let's see, Cave Ghost. No, it's exactly the same. What the fuck is this? Cave Mount? Oh my god, are they all the same file? Okay, not quite. But like, Cave Coast and Cave Mount are identical, it looks like. So that's very strange, I think. Fascinating. Okay, so maybe we can look at maybe it's not an opening, maybe it is just a text. Like I do think it kind of, well, no, it can't be text because we did search the Shift IIS and we didn't find it. So it's got to be images, right? Like it's got to be images. We can look at obj real quick and see menu obj ango on the list call. Oops. Wait. Okay. We can check my G-show. Let's look at Ongo real quick and see if we know what that is. Oh, code password cipher. Interesting. Okay, that's very interesting to me, actually. So that was obj ango desu ne. Okay. Let's take a look at that. I'm just curious about this now. I want to know what that is. So this is, like, honestly my process. I just kind of do random shit and just kind of explore it while I'm figuring it out. And I don't know, it's fun. I love doing this kind of stuff. This is just getting a feel for what the ROM structure is like. And yeah, honestly, there's nothing else really about it. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, that's animated, right? So we got like an O here, and then like I'm assuming there's like different cells. Yeah, saw. Yeah, you can see this. It is some sort of password things. Check. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. So there's some sort of password entry thing. I don't know what that's about. But that's fascinating. I like that. Okay. Again, stuff that would need to be translated. But like again, there's so many graphics in this game. Not a fan of that at all. Oh, I wonder if, okay, we looked at this already, but I'm gonna pull it up again. I wonder if this is. Yeah, so this is all of the different texts, like in this opening menu thing. It has all the different colors of it. Let's turn off this so it's easier to see. I get Suzuki Kara, and then that's when it's selected. Option, little button things, BGM, sound effects, return, clicky guy. Okay. So that's that one. And then we have obj2 as well here. So if we plug in those, just see what those look like. Oh, whoops, I did this correctly. Obj 2, NCGR, NCER. Oh yeah, this is just, we looked at this one before. This is just Moomin. There's one cell. It's just Moomin. We do love Moomin. He's a great guy. We love him. He has a knife sometimes. I love that for him. Okay. I mean, we could look at the BG sub stuff because it is up on the top, so maybe it's that. Doesn't. Oh, interesting. Oh, that's static? These are static images, not. That's interesting. Not models. They did static images on the subscreen. I guess that makes sense because the subscreen, the main screen, is the one that has the 3D models. Okay, interesting. And then we have this BG sub 2. Yeah, oh my gosh, that's so interesting. Okay, okay. Okay, so what would that mean in terms of this? I don't know. It's very interesting. Okay, so we got this, NCGR, NCER. Yeah, so here's our logo. It's only one cell as well. So that's that one. We saw that one already. Okay. This is fascinating. What's the logo? Sonic. Oh, these are the opening crawl logos, I guess, right? That's what that's got to be. Yeah, this is the opening crawl logo, I think. Let's see if we can see something with the NCSR. We usually can't, because I don't know how to use this tool properly. That's very interesting, though. That's definitely what that is. And let's see if we can see whatever this is. This Moomin Care. Let's just see real quick. Oh, yes, this is copyright Moomin characters. So yeah, it's all the title screen stuff. Okay. So that makes sense. That's what the title screen is, obviously. And then we could go through maybe... Okay, ending, gallery, game, item, model, motion. What's motion? Oh, these are like animations for the models and stuff, I guess. Okay, I'm trying to think what else it could be. In-game, maybe? Map data? No, we did map data already. Texture anim? Probably not. Model. Character. They're all over character models. They're all compressed. More models of things compressed. Map models compressed. Like our font, which is a nifter. Okay, cool. Can this thing view nifters? I wonder. No. That's okay. We can definitely write something to edit the nifter if we need to. That's great, though. A nifter means that it has, like, I believe nifters have width encoded for characters, so if we need to make a variable width, we can do that. Fascinating. Okay, actually, let's go back into the game. I just want to see something real fast. So let's pop back into the game. I'm hacking. Second. Moomin. So we're just gonna go real quick. Yeah, there's the Sound of Power. There's the Moomin characters logo. Okay, so this is that. So you can see. Okay, so actually, this is a static image back here. So this is the subscreen, and this is the main screen, according to that. I guess they're just calling it bottom and top. I don't know. That's interesting. And here's another one. This is also a static image. That's interesting. And then we looked at these. Remember, these are like when it's selected, they have all of these things here. That's very interesting. Okay, so we can do Hajime Kara again. Koko wa Moomin Tani desu. Yeah. Okay, can I like skip this? Yes, I can. Oh no, I can't. It's doing this on its own. Yeah, that looks like text, right? Like it's scrolling in like it's text. It's not doing... So, okay, there's something I'm missing. There's something I'm missing here, right? Like it's gotta be text. Okay, so kono aoi kazoku kono aoi yeah, it's this blue house is Moomin Yashiki desu. I don't know what Yashiki is. Let's check that. I want to learn Yashiki. We're learning a new word. Yashiki. Yashiki is a residence. Got it. So this is Moomin's residence. Is the Moomin residence, rather. Not Moomin's residence. The Moomin residence. So, let's go back to our Shift.js converter thing. And so it's kono aoi ye. Kono aoi ye. Convert. And that's this. Okay. So let's try bgrep once more. I know that we already did this, but we're trying it again. Unpack, data, script. Okay, so we're just going to see if it's in the scripts. Bgrep, and we'll scroll. Wait, scroll up. No, we can't. Scroll down. That's not. So let's just go over here. Yeah, perfect. Bgrep 82B1 82CC 90 C2 82A2 89C6 /*. Oh, it's an invalid hex string. Did I like type it? Oh, I did. So let's. Sorry, I just have to type it over again. I'm not going to try it. I typed it completely wrong. 82B1 82CC 90 C2 82A2 89C6. Okay. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, okay. I mean, we could go in. Yeah, I mean, like, what else would it be? CD old list? That. Some DATs? Okay, we could look in here maybe and see. No, nothing. CD name, I guess. CD SP, maybe? No, those are all NCLRs. It wouldn't be an ending, right? That would be silly. Yeah, no, these are, again, just like these are graphics. These are all graphics. But like, I mean, like, I know that it can animate images, obviously, but it like looks like text. The way it scrolls in looks like it should be text. Okay, so maybe, I mean, it's not gonna be title. We already know that. Item, maybe? What's an item? No, these are all graphics. What the fuck? Oh, I'm so stupid. All of those things, all of those scripts are compressed. So that's why it's not finding. I have to decompress all the scripts. Duh. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. I just realized the thing that I'm doing wrong. So let's take all of these into edit, and then we can just decompress all of them at the same time. So we do push the edit script bin, and then do our LZSS thing. If we get up here fast enough, maybe, yeah, perfect. So we can just do star, star. Cool. So we decompressed everything. So now we can do our bgrep for that thing that we just bgrepped. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, A2B1. Then let's do A2CC. Okay, so we still got something. These are some things. Okay, and then we can do 90C2. Nothing. 90. Okay. So we've got, this one is main smain.ssd.bin. Okay, let's try that because it's like main one, right? Like that kind of makes sense. So we can go into our script bin. It's decompressed now. What is this? Oh, it just doesn't know what it is. Okay. So yeah, why main one, y1at main SSD down. So we can go back into imhex, just pop that in. It's right after the opening file too. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ah, Moomin. Toto kite hoshii no. Okay, so this is definitely text. But it's not the opening crawl. Mama inai mitai dana. Okay, it's not in the opening. We already discussed that. Definitely not. Okay. Oh, wait, what if they're models somehow? Because these are, like, talking about model things, right? Like, what if it's... No, that doesn't make any sense. Room and valley. No, that doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. I mean, we could look at valley A, I guess, and see what's in it. Doesn't look like it. It's definitely all text, but it doesn't really look like it's not that text. Okay, we're gonna play the game again. We paused it here. Let's play the game again and see if we can get to the point where we start talking to people and see if it matches what the text up there that we're looking at, how that comes in. Okay. Okay. Okay, Moomin Tani no Yuki, blah 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 blah. Here comes Snufkin. I do know some Moomin. I know some Moomin. So yeah, it looks like text. It's gonna drive me insane if it's not text. It's not text. There's no fucking way it's text. This is completely different looking. Yeah, this is completely different. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Okay, so that's definitely graphics that are just animated. Okay, well, let's see if we can translate this opening text, at least, that Moomin speaks here. Okay. Kitanda. We're gonna search for Kitanda. Because I can't read that other kanji. So, Kitanda. Okay. So let's bgrep this. Okay, so 9788 82BD 82F1 82BE /star. Okay, we got a couple of places. We do have this main 2, maybe, is what we're looking at here. So let's see if that matches what we're looking at. Main 2. Moomin. Oh, wait, no. No, that's main 1, sorry. Wait, what? No, it is main 2. Flip them on the side. Okay. Close that. Okay, main 2. Is it Y1AT? Y1AT main 2, yes. Okay. Okay. So let's search for this text that we have here. Okay, there it is. But that's different. That's different. That's not what we were looking at before. Okay, so let's see. And like we can see if it's in a different spot. No. Okay. But that's not it. Okay, so well, there's a space before it, so maybe we can just do that. Put the full width space in before it. So that means that it's 8140 before that. Oh, whoops. 8140. Okay, that narrows it down a bit. So we got Y1SP main 1 and Y1SM main 1. Okay, so I don't know this naming system at all. This is interesting. Y1SM main 1. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, no, that's different. So that's not it. Then we also had SP, I believe, right? SP main 1. And this one. There we go. This is it. Is this Haru? Is that the character for spring? Copy as custom encoding. It is Haru. Nice. Hell yeah. I can do some kanji. Cool. Okay. So that's interesting. So Haruda. So is 00 a new line for this? Also, is that... No, that's not a half width. That's a full width. So that's the new line? 00 is the new line? That's so fucking weird. That's so weird. Okay, so they do this. Or maybe this is just the full string. Year 1 spring. Oh, you are a genius. Hi, Millie. How's it going? Year 1 spring. Oh my gosh, you so nailed it. That's so smart. Yeah, so year 1 spring, year 1 summer, year 1 autumn probably is AT, don't they? And year 1, is there a year 1 winter somewhere in here? Year 1 winter, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's definitely it. So we got spring, summer, winter. Yeah, I completely agree. That's definitely it. Okay, very interesting. So then, yeah, I wonder if, like, this one here has any clues. So we got this Moomin Valley A.txt, right? So I wonder if this contains clues for, like, those text files contain clues for other things. So we go game, map data, Moomin Valley A txt. So it has these other files in here. So we have name, night, autumn, night, spring, winter, winter, night. So no summer for this one. And then we have these node objects. Wow. Okay, this is very interesting. So this is the valley. This is just the map info, right? Like, that doesn't have any hints for us. What does this other one have for the opening? Moomin room. Okay, so this is just defining, like, what maps are used in the opening, I guess. Interesting. Yeah, year 1 spring definitely is it. Thank you so much for figuring that out. That's very smart. Okay, interesting. This is very, very interesting. I like this game so far. This is fun to look at. Okay, so let's see what else it could be. Okay, so let's start by, like, seeing if we can edit this text, right? So we just found year 1 spring, main 1. Or was it main 2? Year 1 spring, main 1. Yes, it was that. Okay. So let's see if we can edit this text and just do something interesting with it. Oh, there's the Z's that he has. The Z. Having a good stream, Millie. It's going great so far. Okay. So let's see if we can do this. Let's just edit, and let's try to do this in half width. See if we can do half width characters. Okay. So we'll just try that first and see if half width works. And if it doesn't, that's fine. But I want to test it and see if it does. It's been modified by... Isn't that this? They don't view the external source? Okay. Oh, this is Unpacked still not. Just making sure that I did in fact save it. Sorry, I'm already kidding. It's files. Yep, okay, it's saved. Perfect. So let's now take that file, this one here, and we're going to put it into Repack. Sorry. We're going to put it into Repack. We're going to do data, script bin. We're going to replace it. Y1 spring name 1, and we're going to recompress it too. So we're going to go back in here, and we'll just push D, push D, repack, that one, right? Yes, okay, good. Repack, data, script bin, and then we will do our decompression on this specific file. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's so many. Yeah, there we go. So we will do our decompression here, or recompression actually. I believe that's just C and S1, I1, SP, main. Oh, it's just S, it's not S1. There we go. Okay, should be compressed. Oh, it's not supported. Never mind. That didn't compress it. Maybe encode probably it's E. Okay, can I just do a help real quick? No. H. This is the Moomin. Oh, what's the game like? So I think it's like Animal Crossing-ish, is my understanding. It's kind of like Animal Crossing. It's like a little, like you go around, you talk to the villagers in Moomin Valley and stuff. You hang out with them. It's kind of like Stardew Valley, or it's like that kind of. It's like a cozy game, is my understanding of it. Which I think is fun. I like those kinds of games, so I actually am kind of excited about this. Okay. Let's open up lcss.c and see how I'm supposed to. Oh my god, it's a terminal. What is going on? No, properties always open with Vim, Visual Studio Code, always use. Okay. Okay. So in VS Code we can see our things. How do we encode? There's specific things. Okay. VRAM, WRAM, VFast, WFast, VBest. Okay, let's just do VBest. Yeah, whatever. EVO, I guess. Yeah, sure. EVO. Okay. So it's EVO. We're doing that. Okay. It coded it. We're good. Okay. So now we can do a repack real quick. So we'll do pop D. I do pop D again. Do I have it on the stack? Yeah, perfect. Okay. C. So we have code, NitroPacker, or how do you CLI, bin debug, NitroPacker, and we do pack, and we do I repack Moomin.json. O repack.nds. Okay. So let's try this now. Let's see how it works. Okay, so far so good. It didn't cause it to crash immediately. Yeah, I don't know. I think Moomin's cute. I don't really know that much about it, honestly, but I like Moomin as a vibe, you know. I think that's good. So yeah, we don't think this is text, by the way. We think this is images, Millie. Like this part right here, which is really annoying. I can't find them, which is so annoying to me. I want to find these images, but we can't find them so far. And also, I don't like that they are animated this way. That's really annoying, and I don't know how that's going to affect the, like, need to do, like, half-width font and stuff for this. But you can see it's, like, different than when Moomin gets out of bed. Like, this text that you'll see in a second. It's very different from that. let's take a look here. Okay, it crashed. So yeah, so half width is not supported properly, or at least I did something wrong when I did it. So let's try again. And instead of doing half width, we're going to do we're gonna do our Y1 spring. So instead of doing half width characters, we're gonna do full width characters, and we're just gonna see what we can make happen here. Okay. So let's get back to Shift.js site thingy and just like copy and paste some Shift.js in here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do we're going to go in here, do this, do input mode, wide Latin. We're going to do I'm moon. Sure, why not? Convert. And so here's the Shift.js for I'm mooms. And then that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 bytes. So it is a full 16 bytes. And it looks like that should be fine to be a full 16 bytes here. It takes us like that amount. So we'll paste that. And then it says I'm mooms, probably. Yeah, I think so. I don't know what's going on here, but whatever. Should be fine. Oh, you're cooking rice at 1 a.m. because fuck it. Hell yeah. Good for you, Millie. I love rice. I cook rice all the time. 9A. Yeah, 829A. Oh, that's weird. What did I do something wrong? Okay, I'm gonna real quick. I'm gonna. Might have done something wrong. 1 second. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna decompress the thing all again and just start over. No. Okay. So I'm gonna go into unpack, data, script bin. Yes, I'm gonna copy script bin into edit and decompress it all again because I feel like I did something wrong. I wonder if that is the problem and then they actually half width's fine. Okay. So let's decompress this all over again. The rice is so pro. It's so true. I make in Seattle there's no, not in Seattle anymore, but you can buy in Seattle. There's this restaurant called Cafe Yum. They closed it in Seattle. It's still open in Oregon, like Portland and stuff. And they have this thing called Yum sauce, and it's so delicious. It's this vegan sauce that they make. It's so good. And I just do that on rice and like a vegetarian vegan sausage thing. So good. So good. I'll do that like just for meals sometimes. It's absolutely delicious, in my opinion. What time is it? Okay, yes. It's like 10 a.m. here still, so we're totally good. We're chilling. We love it. Okay. So yeah, decode, edit, script bin, star. Okay. So perfect. So this is all decoded now. So let's go back into here. S, Y1, spring, main one. And let's just see if I did this wrong before on this Z here. Here's the Z up here. So if I highlight this. Oh, no, what? What's going on here? Did I fuck this up earlier? Huh. Oh, no? What is happening? Why is it like this? Yeah, it's very yummy. It is yum, indeed. It's quite yummy. I'm sorry. I'm gonna take a second here because I'm confused. So 8279, 829A, 829A. Oh, it starts on a 3. It is strange. Okay. So I don't think I fucked up. Let's just try pasting this. I moves. I know it messes up this preview over here. I don't really know why that is, but whatever. So we're gonna save that. Okay. And we'll exit out of it. Oh yes. I come from Rice Country, Beikoku, and I'm in Rice Central now. That's so true. Okay. So let's do this again. Place it. And then encode it. And we'll just do repack, data, script bin, y1 spring, main 1, bin. Cool. So that should be, let's just double check that this is, yep, it is. It's Shift.js, or it's, sorry, it's LZ10 compressed now. Perfect. Okay. So let's go back in over to our emulator. And we'll nitro pack it real quick, actually. Sorry. Have to do that. Let's do that. Okay. Repack. And we'll just go through this again. Is there a beeping sound? I think it's just the music, right? I'm just fast forwarding. I think that's all it is. I'm just fast forwarding through it. I can mute this fully if you want me to, if it's like annoying. Is it annoying? Like, it's fine for me, I don't know. But I don't want to annoy anyone with if the sounds are weird or something. Okay, let's see if this crashes. So far, oh wait, no, this is still the same opening thing. Yeah, because Snufkin has to come through and everything. Oh, the game sounds fine? Okay, hell yeah, he says, I'm Mooms. Okay, so we got that working. That's fantastic. I love to see it. It's like a bong sound every once in a while. I don't hear it. It's something I'm... Oh! You mean this sound? Like when I go like... That sound? If it's that sound, that's the sound of the terminal, like the autocomplete, like hitting a wall and having me, like prompting me or whatever. I think I can probably make it mute if that's annoying. Let me see if I can go in and change settings. Because honestly, I don't really like it either. Okay, can I not do that? Text colors, command compatibility. Yeah, that's it. Okay, cool. Bell, disable bell sound, Ubuntu. Turn off beep bell on Linux terminal. Set bell style none. And if I do that now, test, I like to do the repack. Oh, no, that's still got the bell. Oh, I see. This is a thing. Okay. So, okay. So this is, I have to go into sudo vim etc input rc. Oh, I see. Dot slash etc slash input rc. put my password. Then do not bell. Okay. Okay. And then, okay, the changes take place immediately. So if I do cd repack, now that did not take place immediately. Okay, let's try exiting out of this whole thing, which will close console tool, but that's okay. And we will do. Okay, pop off. Go to bed. Have a nice sleep. Yeah, the next one, Millie, will be on your time. It will be in morning, and it's Will and me. So you're good to go. It's just I'm on Japan time now, so it's a little weird. But I'll be on your time next time. So enjoy when that happens. So we're gonna go into ROM hacking, NDS hacking, games, Moomin. Okay, no bell. Hell yeah, fixed it. I don't like that bell anyway, so that's good. Okay, cool. So, yeah, he says I'm Mooms now. So we got our text edited a little bit. Let's see if there's a Nifter editor I can use. Especially one that's like cross-plat would be good. I know this person. This person's cool. It's on GitHub, thankfully. The JavaScript that runs this thing? Oh, it's a site. It's a website. And the website's down now. Okay. So it's a JavaScript thing? I hate that. Sorry. I just don't like JavaScript. It's gross. Okay, let's look for a Nifter editor on here. Okay, that's the only one that comes up. Nifter. Not NFTs. I don't want that. No. No. NDS. Nifter DS. Nerd font terminator. Create, modify, and view Nifter files from Nintendo DS games. Oh, this is the same person who did oh, it's only Windows. Yeah. This is the same person who did oh, but it's it's got a CLI. It's that's not a fucking CLI, dude. That's a Windows Forms project. A WinForms project. So this is C# though. This is the guy who did Tinka, which is that editor for like DS-ROMs. Okay, let's we can take this code, we can compile it maybe for .NET like Linux. Wait, not code dot. I want to do open dot, not code dot. Yes, I trust the authors. No, okay, I want to open writer. Open this. Just an open new window. Okay. So this is not, what is this? That if it's a WinForms project, it's not a CLI. So there's that. So let's first go in here and see if we can make this work for us. So this is an old style solution. So we're gonna try, okay, so this is terrible. Sorry, it's not terrible, it's just annoying. It's got Python scripts in it. Are you kidding me? Does it have Python I guess it's because they don't. They had to do Font Forge, and so that's Python. Okay. Let's see if there's anything on NuGet for this. Like Nifter editors on NuGet. Because I really don't want to make my own Nifter editor. Oh my god, there's nothing. Nitro font? No. Okay, I just want to see if there's something more modern that someone's done, because I don't want to have to deal with this shit. Nitro Font Maker, a tool for generating Nitro font emojis for Don't Starve Together. Okay, that's not it. No. Okay, not this. NDS. Oh, Illidan. Hell yeah. Render text from Nifters. Love Illidan. He's a great guy. Okay, so this renders them, but it doesn't let us edit them. But okay. Yeah, you know, maybe I need to be the change I want to see in the world and make a Nifter editor. I think that's all documented on GBA Tech, right? Let's see. Nifter. Nitro font resource format. Yeah, okay. So this is Nitro font resource. This is a description of how it all works. Character width chunk. Okay, so I mean, this shouldn't be hard to build something to do this. So I don't know that I'm going to do that right now, but this is something that I can come back to and make something. I'm really going to do that. I'm probably going to make a Nifter editor that's cross-plat. I'll build it in Avalonia. That's what I do. But for now, we're not going to do that. Let's just try figuring out these SSDs, these script files. Not this one, though. Yes. Spring. Okay. So let's just start by attempting to make some changes to this. So it looks like this is just kind of like, it just goes. Like once it gets started here, it just goes. Like it is aligned, kind of. It's 2-byte aligned, it looks like. So like every single, no, it's not even that. Oh, because 1 0 is a new line, right? And 2 zeros is the end of the string, I guess. So, is there anything that references this section here? And like, is there like dialogue commands? Like, that would be my next question. So maybe like, is this the beginning of the section? We can start searching for things. So this would be F860. No. F8 or F060. No. F260. Oh, there's an F260, but that's not super helpful. We can see, so is there an E260 somewhere? Is there an E060 somewhere? Is there an D860? No. Okay, well, let's go up here and see if we can see at the top of the file what's going on. I'm going to sneeze in a second, I think. What's going to happen? We're just going to have to live with that. So we got our file magic. Let's open a couple of these to see. We'll just open this other spring one. We'll open this summer one. this winter one, and this autumn one. Okay. So are these... Oh, no, it's not magic. These actually do something. These are different on each of these files. So, okay. So let's check out, what does 311 go to? Jack shit. These are all pointers here, it looks like. Or maybe something. I don't know what they are. I don't know what they are. X21F. X21F. No, those aren't pointers. These are incrementing by 1 each time. So it's something else. I don't totally know what. Could be indices into those text things. Somehow. I don't know. AF 0A 01. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, let's see F761. Does that exist? Okay, actually, let's see where this ends. This file. It ends at 82FB. So that is not even close to whatever that first value is. F761. Not even close. So then this is F902, which again is nonsense. 561. Huh. Okay, let's look and see. This is where we're going to have to, like, I want to use Ghidra at this point, I think. So let's get started on that. And Ghidra, this motherfucker. Okay. Oh, it opened up on my top screen, sorry. So let's get started. New project. We'll do a shared project. Why not? Like, who knows what we're going to do with this? And we're going to connect to this, and I'll put my password in up here so you don't see it. Okay. Very good. Create repository. Hello, Ghidra the Wise. Oh, I mean, Jonko the Wise. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. This is Moomin. That's what we're calling this one. We'll call it Moomin DS, just to, in case we do another Moomin game. We'll do just me for now. I'm the admin on it. And Moomin DS. Perfect. And then we're going to add a new file. We're going to import our DS file in. Import code. No, not code. ROM hacking. NDS hacking. Games. Moomin. Moomin.nds. ARM9, please. Yes, it is commercial. Okay. All right. Excellent. So we're Ghidraing this up right now. So let's pop open this. Okay, again, we're opening up on the wrong stream, but that's okay. Yeah, let's analyze it. You can see my analyzing stuff that we're going to do, I guess. That opened on the right screen. Yeah, we want the variadic signature override. We'll do this. We'll do that. No, we don't want that, actually. Decompiler parameter ID. Yeah, that's good. I don't think we care about this. We don't want these aggressive instruction patterns. Okay. So it's going to start our analysis here. So that's good. Like, very excellent, honestly. I'm happy about that. This is really zoomed in. Kind of weird. Whatever, though, I don't care. So let's see. It's definitely analyzing a bunch of stuff here. You can see it creating our functions. Here's our entry ARM9. Very nice. So we're gonna Ghidra this, and we're gonna see. I have to run no cache on wine, which is a pain in the ass because it's the only one with a fucking debugger. So let's go into our portable apps, no cache. Oh, do I have it in ROM hacking? No. Where's my no cache? I swear to God, I had no cache on here. Oh, it's no cache lowercase. I can see it now. Okay, there we go. Okay. Wine, no cache. This part's uppercase, which is the confusing part. That's why I was getting confused, I guess. All right. And we have to do Desmium on Linux sucks ass. That's the main problem, is like they just don't make good tools for Linux anymore. But we can use MelonDS still, because it has an okay memory searcher. It's like not bad. So let's do this. We can search for imooms in our memory searcher. A RAM search, 4 bytes, value, and let's do I guess we should open up a calculator, right? And type in 8289828D. Actually, probably 8D828982. See if we can search for that. So that comes out to this value in decimal. Okay, wait. 2374143. Oh wait, no. So it is hex that I'm searching it. 8D8228. 8D82. I just search 8D82. What? What is happening here? Why am I getting restricted on how many bytes I can type? Or characters I can type? That's very strange. 237414. Why is it only... Hey guys that work on MelonDS, why can I only type 5 characters in the memory search? That's ridiculous. Okay. I guess we can just search D82. That's 5 characters. 36226. Okay, we get nothing. Okay. Sorry, yeah, no, it would be like 8289 maybe we can search and see if we get something. 33417. Nothing. Pain in the ass. I hate this shit. This is why I do normally do this on Windows when I do this part, just because this is also ass. I guess we can try the Windows version of Desmium on here. Let's try that real quick. We'll try that. Okay. So let's get Desmium Windows on here, and we'll just run it through Wine. See if we can make that work. Oh my god. Oh right, Desmium.org is fucked up, isn't it? Yeah. Like a bad thing. Okay, yeah, so they do make it for Linux technically, but it's terrible. It's not a good emulator on that. So we'll take this, we'll put it in portable apps. Okay, there we go. And we'll have Desmium. Oh, that M is not capital. Okay. Yeah, and so we can just do... actually, we want no cache still, don't we? No cache, DBA. Then we'll just open up a new app. Desmium. Wine, Des. Okay. So we have this at least. That's good, I guess. 2x, please. There we go. Okay. Oh, it made a thing. Okay. Cool. Awesome. So we go back into our ROM hacking folder, NDS hacking, games, Moomin. Right, this is so loud, truly so loud. Sound settings, turn down the volume. Okay. Hello, how's it going, Sigil Sealed? Turn it down even lower. Okay. So let's try this again. So now that we have this, we should be able to do our RAM search and everything. Yeah, okay, we can do that. So we're just doing this through Wine. This is fine. It's not ideal, but it works. Okay. Yeah, see, like, it's kind of slow and not great. I don't know what to say. It's not good. It's, like, actually stuttering a little bit. But that's because we're running it through Wine, so there's, like, an emulation layer going on here that is... It's fine, I guess. We could do this through Proton, maybe, and have a better time with it, but I am not going to bother to do that right now. Alright, here's Moomin. Does he hibernate? Is that what's happening here? Is that what's happening? I don't understand. Alright, here we go. Let's see. So now we can do our RAM search. Okay, so ZZZZ, here we go. So we're going to pause the game just so we don't accidentally advance this or anything. We're going to do our RAM search. And, oh my fucking god. It looks like it doesn't work on this. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's really not good. I can't even force quit. Oh, no. Linux problems, folks. And the Linux problem is that the one emulator that works well on Linux doesn't have good debugging tools. That sucks. That sucks really bad, actually. I don't really know what to do about this right now. I guess we can just go back to doing static analysis of it and not bother with debugging in Ghidra. And just see if we can figure things out. I think that's probably the best option right now, since we can't really debug on here. Like, that sucks that we can't debug on here, but I don't know what to do about that. You know, like, I can't change that fact. And I'm here for another, like, month. So I guess we should just do static analysis. We shouldn't bother with, like, the Ghidra stuff. But yeah, I don't know what to do. That's super weird. I don't know. That's very strange. Okay. Well, let's go back to doing static analysis. Like I said, we're just going to take a look at these files and see what we can figure out. So, like, this is incrementing, right? Like, this is incrementing for sure. So these are indices of some kind. Grep, proc, pid, mem, I won't. Yeah, I won't. It's true. I don't know what that does. And I don't trust Linux users to tell me what to do. See. So this looks like it could be a terminator, right? Like, this is -1, and it, like, is at the end of this section of, like, incrementing indices. So I feel like that could be a terminator of some kind. Let's see what else we're looking at here. These are interesting. Oh, there's more incrementing things here. So that's interesting. But the main thing I want to see is if we can find this section, because I don't know that I care about like fixing all of these strings so much as I care about finding where the strings start. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, exactly. That's right. That's right. You understand. Okay. Um, hmm. I just don't know. So, like, it looks like it starts at I'm Moons here, right? Or it doesn't really look like it starts there. It looks like probably it starts at this 60F2 thing. Like, we have 60F2 here that goes to right here. That has this bit here, followed by this 2 thing, followed by this, which then eventually leads into our Zymoon stuff. Um, um, we can start by seeing, like, is that 60F2 consistent? If I take a look in this file, I see that same pattern. 8B30, this is 8B30 right here. Yeah, so we definitely, it's the same pattern. That's definitely the case. Mm. I'm still thinking. Sorry for not thinking out loud right now. I'm just trying to think what else this could be. I feel like there should be like something then that points to this 8B32, right? Or 8B23. So like if I search 238B, there's nothing. 8B23, there's nothing obviously because it would be 238B. Or yeah, 238B. And there's nothing for 208B either. There's nothing for 218B, 228B. There's nothing here. 108B, 128B. 18AB, 8B. One C, 8B. One E, 8B. All right, this is cope. This is absolutely cope. One F, 8B. This is so cope. I'm just coping. I mean, like, section starts higher up, maybe. Oh, here's an 8B. It says 8BF7. I mean, that's stupid, right? 8B41 starts where? Looks 8B41. That's in, like, the middle of this text here. What is it? That's 418B right here. Wait, did I just find some shit? Some really stupid shit? 6103. It's the second thing. It's just offset weird. Stupid. That's so stupid. Why the fuck is it like that? It's not aligned at all. Oh my god, that's so annoying. So it's 6103. It's the second. Like, it's not even. Okay. Well, we can work with that. We can work with that. So this is just. This points directly to the list, right? This short here at 01 points directly to that list. And that list seems to be indexed with these like okay, I guess it's what's the difference between these two things? Like there's I guess I don't understand the difference between 0, 0 and just 0. I don't understand why there's two of those things. It doesn't align it. Nothing in this file is aligned. Um, okay. I'm just gonna do it at random. We're just gonna see what happens. We're gonna scattershot this and just see what happens. So, okay, so let's make a thing for this. We're gonna delete class 1 here. Let's make a thing. We're gonna call this SSD script, I guess. Is that what these are? SSDs, yeah. And yeah, I guess that's what it is. So we'll have public SSD script byte data, and then we'll just have a public list string values. I don't know. We're just gonna see if I can like edit this at all. Just make a basic editor for it. Like this is not even gonna be. This is gonna be so like lame. We're gonna turn this into a text file. Is all I'm gonna do right now. Like there's nothing exciting happening here. But that's what we're gonna try doing and see what happens. So let's try this. Okay. I mean, like, one second. Could the double zeros be new lines? Could they be new lines? They don't appear to be. I don't know what's going on with these double zeros. I don't know. Okay, whatever. Let's figure this out. So we have our short strings start, or I guess like we'll just call these strings bank. Call it that, whatever. And then we'll just have short strings bank offset equals yeah, that, but with 1 OXO1. That's so stupid. I actually wonder if this is the number of strings. F7, is that the number of strings? That seems probable. We'll check that in a second. Let's just start by just running through to the end of the file and we'll see. So, encoding.code pages, or no, code pages, encoding provider.instance get encode dot encoding something. What is this with again? Encoding dot register provider code pages and get out. So we'll do this first so that we can get shift.js in. Then we do that. And then make a quick IO class like we always do. And it's a static class. Public static string read shift.js string data byte data in offset encoding dot get shift get encoding shift.js dot get string data dot skip offset dot take while p not equal dot two. Okay, cool, and just return that. Okay, so cool. So now what we do is while or I guess we can just do for int I equals this. We don't even have to declare this variable. We'll just do it in line in the for loop. For int I equals that. I less than data.length. I plus we're not going to increment it. We'll increment it manually in the loop. So how should we do this? I guess we could do let's do ref int offset and do actually this let's do this. So offset fuck. Okay. So let's do string s equals that offset plus equals encoding dot get encoding dot shift js dot get byte count s. Okay, that's fine. We'll do that. Sure. Okay, so let's do then well, let's first of all let's initialize this list. And then we'll do strings bank dot add io dot read shift jis string data I ref I. If data I equals ox00 I plus plus. Actually, no, let's do this. We'll do while data. Yeah, there we go. Okay. That way we always advance. Fine. Okay. Yeah, that's fine, I guess. Whatever. I don't like this, but it's fine. It works for now. Okay. Extract SSD script. Sure. And then I guess the other thing we can do real quick here is we can do at the beginning, we'll call this compressed data. And we can just decompress it with Aurora lib when we do this. Oops, not that. Manage NuGet package, Aurora lib compression. And we'll just do what is it? Oh yeah, we do LZ10 equals new LZ byte data equals LZ10 dot decompress compress data. Then we do data. Fantastic. Okay. So that's good. And then we can just do here extract script, SSD script command, have it inherit command. Okay. And then we do public extract SSD command, base extract SSD. Oops. You have to put fucking. Okay. Options equals new. And then we have two strings. We have private I equals private string, private int, private string, script file, SSD file, output file. We'll call it output.txt. Okay. And so what we're going to do here is we have options equals. Wait, no, we already did that. Sorry. So we have a little option here. I input equals input SSD file compressed. And we do S. Oh, we actually do I SSD file I. Then we do O output. Yeah, output txt file. Thank you very much. Output text file. Output text equals that. So much, writer. Okay, and then we do public override invoke. Cool. And then it return 0, and then options.parse arguments. Cool. And then what we do here is we can just do, we have to reference this first. So let's make sure we do that. Reference lib add. Okay, and then we just do SSD script SSD equals file new file dot read all bytes SSD file. And then we just do file dot write all lines, and we pass it in our output txt and SSD dot strings. Okay. So that's our starting point. So let's see how this works. We're gonna do this Moomin Okurimono. Actually, we'll call it extract SSD. And it will be extract SSD. And let's give it a working directory that makes sense. So we'll give it this directory like that. We'll give it this Moomin directory for our working directory, and we'll just do unpack data. So unpack data script bin, and then the name of the script that we wanted was this spring one. That, then O / edit. We'll call it script txt. And we'll call it sy1 sp main1.txt. And then the last thing we're going to do here real quick is we're going to do if not directory dot exists path dot get directory name output txt directory dot create directory path dot get directory name output. Okay, cool. And that's not null. Thank you. Okay. So let's try it out. Let's try it out. Let's see what happens. Oh, right. I didn't put that command. New extract script. Okay. Here we go. Oh, error. While data data I is out of range. Okay. Yeah. So while I is less than data.length and that. Okay. Okay. Try it again. Cool. So now what we have here is we should have an edit. We should have a script.txt. We have this txt here. Nice. So we have all of the lines in this extracted here. So that's our little txt here. Awesome. So let's try replacing some of these. Yeah, let's try replacing some of these. So what we're going to do here is we're going to redo this part. So what we're going to do here is basically we're going to make a function in here called import. Actually, no, we're going to do get bytes. It's just get bytes. Get bytes. And the other thing we're going to do here is we're going to have a private byte lead sections equals that. Okay. Actually, no, we don't even have to do that. We can do just that, and then in here we're going to do. I guess we should take this short again. So short. Strings location. And then we do I equal int I don't know, we'll just do short I equals strings. Yes. No, we have to do int because that's a ref int. Okay. Int I equals strings location. And then we do that. So we can do what are we doing with strings location here? Oh, right. We have to do we have to take everything else. So what we're going to do is we're going to say lead sections equals strings location. Oh no, it's data dot strings location. Cool. So that gets us all of that. And then what we can do here when we do get bytes is we can do turn dot lead sections dot strings bank dot select many s encoding io dot encoding dot get encoding shift jis dot get. There we go. So that should do the trick. That will make a little array for us and return it. Very easy, very simple. But that's also wrong. That won't work. I guess dot concat 0. Byte. Okay. I think that works. There we go. Okay, we did it. Okay, so that should do the trick. So what this does here is it just adds a 0 that spaces these strings out properly, I think. So now we can make a new command, which is import ssd txt command private string ssd file txt file output ssd file public import ssd command Oh, sorry. It's actually, this is command up here, and down here we do this base SSD import and then we can do what time is it? It is 11:06. We're good to go. When is my Japanese lesson today? My Japanese lesson today is at 3, so I've got like 4 hours. We're not going to go that long. How long have I been streaming for? How long have I been streaming for? What is this time on this stream? I don't even know. I don't even know. I think I started at 9, so I've been going 2 hours. I can go like another little bit here. Maybe an hour or so. Let's just try this out. Okay. Options equals new. And we'll do that, and then we can do I guess we'll do SSD equals and then the SSD file to replace strings in compressed, and then we'll do SSD file equals S, and TXT, the text file with the new strings, and TXT file equals T. And finally, do O, output, the output SSD file. Okay. And we'll compress that. So actually we should compress this now that I think about it. We should do LZ10 equals new, and we should compress all of these bytes. So we should LZ10 dot compress new byte. No. Okay, let's try this. Byte decompressed bytes. Okay. Oh, no, I just didn't like the... That was fine. I just didn't like that it was memory that. Okay. So probably this was actually fine. And we just have to do that too already. There we go. Okay. Very good. Awesome. So that will compress it on the way out, which is exactly what we want. So let's do public override invoke options.parse arguments. And then we can do this. So we'll do SSD script equal input script equals new. No, let's call it SSD. Yeah. SSD script SSD equals new file.read all bytes SSD file. SSD.strings bank equals this for wait, no. We can just do equals file.read all lines txt file to list, I guess, and then we can do file.write all bytes ssd file.get bytes. Ooh. Did I not make that public? Oh, what? Oh, just ssd.get bytes. Okay. Oh, I have to do output file. Okay. Right. Awesome. So this should do the trick. Use object initializer? What's that mean? Oh, cool. I didn't. Oh, yeah, that would make sense. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Cool. Okay, and then we can do a new configuration. We'll do import SSD, import SSD txt, and we'll do the exact same working directory, and then we'll do import SSD txt s equals this same SSD. Oh wait, no. Yeah, no, it is. It is. It's the same SSD. S is that. Cool. T is going to be this here. So we do /edit /script txt / this guy. Yep. And then O is going to be /repack / it's going to be this exact same thing, but with repack. So I'll just copy this. Okay. Okay. Cool. So let's see how this works. Okay. Cool. So now we will do this. Go in here. We'll do our NitroPacker stuff. Code /NitroPacker /bin /hari CLI /bin debug. Hello, NitroPacker. Pack R I is repack / Moomin O repack.nds. Okay. Let's see how that. Oh wait, I didn't make any changes to the script. Oops. Okay, let's try this again. And we'll do this. So this will be something like that. And then we'll do it's spring, because we want to change the spring is here. We want to change the line length and see how that works, if it works, because I think it will, but I want to double check. 新しい一年が始まるんだ。A new year has begun. Something like that. Whatever. So let's try that. Now we'll do the exact same thing again. We're going to import that SSD txt. And then we will do this repack. So we don't know that this will work, as always. In fact, it probably won't work, but it's worth trying, as always, to see what happens. And like I said, like, worst case scenario, I might go back and like get a better understanding of these files on my Windows machine in like a month and like stream me doing that. But like, I'm in Japan, I have a Linux machine with me. This is what I'm using right now. That's how it is. So that's okay though. That's life. I hate that I can't skip this intro. I'm Mooms. Okay, did it not do the replacement? Did I not? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong here? So I did something wrong. Data, script bin. What did I do wrong? We got our spring here. Okay, so Oh, it's right. It's compressed. Okay, here, 1 second. Let's delete this. And let's see if when I do my program, if it like actually produces the file. Oh! Lamau, I didn't put the fucking command in. So it didn't do anything. Okay. New import SSD text command. Cool. Sorry. Didn't realize that that happened. Let's try it again. Produce it. It did. Produced it this time. So now when we do the repack, it should do the thing. Okay, I'm sorry I wasted everyone's time. That sucks, but that's life. Okay. We'll go through this whole thing again. Feel free to check your phone right now. Good time to scroll social media or something, I guess, while we wait for this to load. I'm responding to text messages that I've gotten. Okay, loaded. Okay, we got it so far. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, that's not what we want. Oh no, what happened? No! Oh, this is incredible. This is the greatest thing ever. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh, this is so funny. Okay, I think we have to maintain the 0, 0. So what we're gonna... That's so funny. That's so funny. Oh my god. That's so good. That's so good. Okay, so I think the 0, 0s are like null strings. Is what I think is happening. Oh, that's so good. Okay, okay, okay. So we don't want to do that. What we want to do here instead, ascending to the heavens indeed. Okay. So what we want to do here is we want to have like if if data I equals OX0, 0, we're gonna put in a null string. So strings bank dot add null. We'll just do an empty string, I guess. String dot empty continue. Okay. So that's fine. Actually, no, we should then do I++ continue. Okay. So that's all good. That's extremely funny, in my opinion. Oh, wait, this is replacing again. Let's do the extract. And we'll replace this. Okay, so there we go. So now we have the null strings that are there. So we have these guys. Oh, wait, no, it did too many. It did too many of these. Huh. Okay, wait a second. That's not, that's wrong. Okay, we have to do I++ here. Yeah. Wait, is this, can I do it in here? Ref. Oh, wait, no, sorry, not in here, in IO. Offset plus equals, yeah, +1. Okay. Because that's the right thing to do there. Okay. So let's try this again. Extract SSD. Okay, there we go. So now it has the correct offsets for things, at least. So there's these null strings that we have here. So then we do this again. Oh, okay. And then we're going to do this. It's spring. Spring has come. A new year has begun. Ooh, I'm making a rhyme. Okay. So there we go. That is good. Yeah, he absolutely. Yeah, this is good. Okay. So now we're gonna do this. Also, someone clip that. Absolutely, that's worth clipping, I think, and posting somewhere. That was good. I really enjoyed that. Oh wait, no, I didn't repack it yet. Okay. So hopefully he doesn't ascend to the heavens this time, even though that was beautiful. That's so funny. Oh my god, I was not expecting that at all. So like, I guess it's like loading in animations and like location, like data for it to where he moves to and stuff. It's like some of the files that are being loaded in, right? Like that's what's going on there. I guess that's what's happening. That's so funny though. Oh my god. Okay. So let's see if he does the correct thing this time. Oh, wait, I don't think I changed the import to do it correctly, right? So he's gonna fuck up again. It's gonna fuck him up again. Oh, yeah. So it fucked up. That's fine. Yeah, he's ascending to the heavens again. Incredible. Okay. So, yeah, okay, sorry. So I didn't change the import to do it correctly. Um, so, um, get bytes, right? Yeah, get bytes in here. Script gets bytes. Okay, let's see what it actually ends up looking like here. So it's in repack, it's in here, it's in here. Script in. Okay, let's load this up. Okay. Wait, that looks like it's doing it right. It looks like it's correct. Huh. That looks right to me. Wait. Hmm. Hmm. That's strange. Huh. So, hmm. Okay, wait, 1 second. Let me try something again. Let's export this again. Okay, so let's try full width characters, but leaving everything the same length. Let's see if that is the issue. Like there is length encoded somewhere. And then oh, oh, wow. Okay, sure. Let's see if this is the issue, because that would potentially be interesting. Okay. So then we repack. Okay. Oh! Oh no, that's the exclamation point. That's correct. Okay, is he gonna ascend? Oh my gosh, he still is ascending! Why? Why does he ascend? Why do you ascend, Moomin? What's going on there? Okay, let's try... Now that we have this, let's try comparing these two and see if there's something obviously wrong. That, like, I clearly fucked up or something with the pack. So we're gonna do... yeah, this one. And we'll go into edit, and we're gonna replace that, and then we'll do this, code it, and then we'll call this one new, oops. Change that. English again, new, and we will take the old one from Unpack and compare. Data, Griffin. We'll call it, actually, we don't rename it yet. Okay. And then we can just load these into Imhex. Okay, and then we can go into view diffing. Drag this over here. We can compare old and our new. Okay. So let's see down here. So this is all the same, and then we change this. Okay, so this is significantly changed. Huh. So wait. Okay, let's see in the hex editor. 6130, right? Huh. 6103. Whoops, 6103. Whoops. So 6103. Right? That's so correct. Yeah, I just read it wrong. OX6103. Okay. So that's correct in both of them. So wait, what's going on here? Oh, it deleted these two zero zeros. Well, that's odd. So those 0, 0s are at 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3D, looks like. Here. So it didn't delete the 0, 0s. They're still there. They just got moved. There's only 1 0 now? What's happening here? Why is that? Why is it like this? Okay, I'm a little confused as to what's going on here. Um, oh. Okay, let's try something real quick. Let's even see if just importing the exact script like makes this the same. Like, how wrong? Like, what am I doing incorrectly here? So let's pull in then this repack script. Okay, so now it's, but it's still different, isn't it? It's still different. Or is it the same now? Oh, no, wait. So it's the same now. So it is supposed to work. If I do a repack now, does it work? Yeah, this would be so much easier if I could Ghidra this and like figure out exactly what's happening in the code. But like at least we're making some amount of progress here, even if it's just like haha funny Moomin he fly. Like that's still something, right? Like I don't know. Okay, let's see here what happens. Okay. Okay. Is he gonna fly? Man loves flying. Okay, I have absolutely no fucking clue what's going on here. Like, genuinely no idea what's happening. Because I mean, like in the hex editor, it looked like those two scripts were identical, right? Okay, let's exit out of the hex editor and see if I just did something wrong. Did I not? Did I go into unpack instead of repack? Let's try it again. Let's just make sure I have the right script. Okay, and we'll do this, decode it, and we'll do new, and we'll just drag these two in. View. We'll close all this stuff. I don't. View. Diffing. Old. New. It says they're identical, and yet he flies. He's absolutely flying, right? Like, that's... But it says that the files are identical. What's... Oh, is the compression bad? No, it can't be the compression. If it was the compression, like, it wouldn't decompress right at all. Okay. What could it possibly be? I mean, like, I can... Try just... We're doing unpack. And try, like, deleting repack and putting it. Okay. So let's just see if I'm going fucking insane, I guess. Did something happen? Like, everyone on Blue Sky is posting about, like, trans rights, and that's good, obviously, but did something happen that I missed, specifically? Okay, well, no, he's doing it correctly now. So it is... But, like, what could it possibly be if the, like... You know what I mean? Like, what could this be, then? What's going on? Is my question. Right, like, I hit this button. My TXT is correct, right? My TXT is the same. It's absolutely the same. I hit this button to import the TXT. I hit this button to repack. So it's done right. Repack it. Repack. I mean, like, I guess, like, besides the Trump inauguration, did Trump do something specific that's targeting trans people, I guess, like, on day one? Is that what happened? Like, I don't... Like, what's happening? Apparently Elon Musk did a Sieg Heil, or a Sieg Heil, rather, which, that's bad. What an absolutely fucked country. Like, so bad. Okay, here we go. Is he gonna fly? Is the question. Yes. Okay. What the fuck is happening? You know what I mean? What the fuck is actually happening right now? Like, why? Why? I mean, maybe, did I, like... I genuinely, I don't understand what's happening. Yeah, Moomin can fly for sure. That's extremely true. But like, why? Why can't he fly? Is my question. Uh, I I genuinely I don't know what's happening. Okay, we delete old. Like if these are actually identical, this makes zero sense. Like they can't be identical, and yet I'm seeing them as identical here. Like that's just I don't know what's happening. Don't know what's happening. Okay. I mean, like, yeah, it says the hex editor says they're identical. What the fuck? What the fuck? I mean, it looks like it, right? What's going on? Why does he fly? Why does he fly? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Genuinely, no fucking clue what's going on. Like if these are identical, why does he fly? It doesn't make any sense. He shouldn't be able to fly if they're identical. I mean, okay, let's look at the compressed files, I guess, and see if they're different. I mean, they should be different, right? Like they're compressed with different algorithms, I guess. Yeah, they're completely different, but like that shouldn't matter. It like shouldn't matter that they're different. Like every file we repack for Chokoretsu is different than the original. Like not even just our changes. Like if you repacked the identical file, it would be different. I do not understand what's happening. I'm gonna have to look at this in memory, and I can't look at it in memory until I get back home. So I don't know what to do about this right now. I mean, like this is definitely doable. Like trust me, like this is definitely doable. Like I said, all of the graphics are standard file formats, so it's like gonna be really easy to write some code to like just make that work. The nifter means that we can like change all those full width characters to half width characters very easily. Like the fact that these are standard font files, basically. It's just these script files are. I just don't know what's happening. Like I don't know what's happening. I don't know why there's two identical files and they are different. That's extremely strange to me. Um. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know. So I think I don't know. Yeah, the next stream I have, I think maybe this is like it for the day. The next stream I have is this stream for Serial Loops with Will. That's on the Okay, so this is West Coast time, the U.S. West Coast time. It's at 2:30 a.m. on January 25th. That's the morning in Europe. It's like 10:30 in the morning or something, European time, like British time rather, and it's the after or it's like the evening in Japan where I am. Oh, so um yeah, that's on this Saturday, I believe. So come through if you're interested in seeing that. We're going to be working on serial loops. I have actually literally, it says like wheel reviews 10 PRs probably. I actually have currently 10 PRs open. So I've got the script command editors one, this group selection one, character editor, item editor, place editor, add UI text, the UI text dialog, which lets you edit the UI text, tutorial mapping, which lets you edit which tutorials map to which scripts. Update voice line editor to account for new subtitle features. Very cool stuff. Add the starting chibis to the script editor and add a button to normalize background music volume. So like there's literally 10 PRs for him to review, and he has not reviewed any of them yet. So he might actually be reviewing 10 PRs. I was kind of a joke when I did that, and then I just kept making PRs for serial loops, and that's where we're at now. So anyway, okay. This is interesting. Like I said, I don't know what's going on. I honestly don't know what's going on with it. It's gonna be difficult without going in and looking at the code. I feel like for whatever the machine code is doing, like debugging to see like how it goes through and produces these lines and produces these animations and all that kind of stuff. I want to see that, like what it's doing to the script files, so that I understand what's going on. And I also want to see the script file in memory. I want to know if like the compression is somehow different than standard LZ10. That's a possibility. Like it's somehow different than that. So like it decompresses to LZ10 fine with Q's tools, but doesn't with the game's algorithm. Maybe. Or like Aurora Lib rather, it decompresses fine, but it doesn't with Q's. Wait, 1 second. 1 second. What if I try Q's tools? Like he has this. I could do like WRAM, EWN, right? Or maybe fast. EW. Let's try EWN. Yeah, why not? Let's try EWN. We're gonna try compressing this file. Oh, I'm getting a call. I'm not gonna pick it up. What's today? It is Monday. At 6:48 p.m. That's a call. Yeah. Okay. Let's just try this real fast. We're gonna not compress this. We're gonna just write out the bytes. Okay. With voicemail. Okay. I guess I'll listen to that in a second. So let's do this. So we have, we'll import the text. Let's make this go to edit. So that I can compress it. So it goes into edit here. Okay. So let's now compress this with Q's tools. So it was EWN, right? Was what it was? Yeah. Okay, so that's encoded now. So then let's take this and we'll put it in repack. Let's cut it. Repack. Now let's just see if Aurora Lib is the thing that's messing it up, basically, is my question. you can see this real quick. Doesn't look that different. Let's do it. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, we're almost done with this stream because I'm kind of hitting a wall right now. Unfortunately. Okay. We're going to try this real quick and see if Moomin flies. If Moomin flies, that's awesome. If he doesn't fly, whatever. No, sorry. If Moomin doesn't fly, that's awesome. If he flies, whatever. We'll just end the stream, I think. Yeah, more like a ceiling. Oh my gosh, that's actually very true. We are hitting a ceiling. Actually, I think Moomin might go through the roof. I think that's what's happening with the camera there. But I don't know. So let's see what's gonna happen here in a second. Oh, he's gonna fly. Okay, so no matter what, he's just flying. Okay. Well, this has been fun anyway. I actually really did enjoy this. I know I sound extremely frustrated right now, but like I actually really do enjoy doing this. This is always a good time to hang out and try to figure things out. I really enjoy doing these streams. So anyway, yeah, like I said, next stream is going to be me and Will chatting. That will be really fun. And then the video that I'm working on is going to come sometime in February, I believe. Or maybe March. Maybe March, actually, because I don't get back until February 12th, and I can't start working on editing until I'm back at my desktop. Just because that's where I like to do my editing. So yeah, this is pretty good. I think that's what we're gonna do. Like I said, thank you all so much for coming. And I will see you on Saturday if you want to come on Saturday. If you're on the West Coast, that's probably difficult. On the East Coast, you have to wake up early too, but you might be able to catch the latter half of the stream maybe if you wake up at like 6 or 7 or something. But anyway, all right. I will see y'all later. Peace to you too. Yeah, I know. It's too bad that Moomin flew. But that's okay. It's all good.